हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। सो दिस इज माय फर्स्ट वीडियो एंड टुडे आई विल अनबॉक्स a latest AI tool that name is cider.ai. As we know guys, ChatGPT is mostly famous by their features, AI facilities. Same as Cider AI is also a app developed by OpenAI. The Cider AI is used for your whole Chrome activities. So let's go to the home page of cider.ai. So this is the home page of cider.ai. See here, you can see what Cider AI can do in this video. Group AI chat, you can see that how to go means your whole activity is running on your site. This can be searched by or in this cider.ai sidebar. To install it, just you have to click add to Chrome. I already added this cider.ai to my Chrome. I just provide you a demo. So see here how the chat cider.ai works. Like if you have to you can write as a writer, you can translate also, you can extract text from image and grammar. I will show you a demo. Means hello guys, I done a spelling mistake here. So see how can AI can improve. सो इसमें मैंने कोई भी कॉमा स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक किया होगा तो ये डिटेक्ट कर लेगा. सो सी हियर मिस्टर एआई मीन्स इसने मेरा ग्रामर ठीक कर लिया. राइट, you can ask per prompt, you can search from all whole course, whole Chrome, whole internet. So tools show you chat PDF, YouTube summarizer, AI video summarizer, AI essay writer, AI translator, image translator, PDF translator, text to image, background remover, replace background, remove rest area, remove text in paint, upscale. The Painter app is also good for those who have to create an image regarding their own. Chat PDF. If you are excited about this feature, please see my part 2 video for latest and all new tricks and tips inside cider.ai. So thank you guys. If you have liked my video, please click on the like button and subscribe if you are exciting to the AI journey, AI tools, latest sites, apps, websites, etc. So see you guys again. So